Like millions of residents of Mexico City, Jasmine Yasari is heeding the advice of health officials and is trying to stay indoors. Though it's not always easy to quarantine when you share a home with 13 people. The weather's been hot, and to make matters worse, there's a water shortage.
It can be 2 weeks without any flowing water. We can go 15 days without water. We can figure it out. But it can be complicated to keep water reserves to hold you for 15 days.
Jasmine lives in Iztapalapa, the most impoverished district of Mexico City. Here, water cutoffs are frequent, and many have been forced to adapt.
When there is water pressure, we run the hose directly to the container. Then we add the chlorine tablets because the water shows up dirty. But by the time we use it, it comes out transparent. It comes out clean.
There are some 60,000 families in this part of the Mexican capital who lack regular access to fresh water. It's the job of public water delivery workers like Antonio Garcia to help fill the demand for potable water.
Each zone is different. Some people are good at saving their water and only need us to come by once or twice a week. Other people can get quite angry and can even injure you to get the water.
Faced with a growing number of coronavirus cases in central Mexico, local officials announced that an additional 250 water trucks would be deployed to help ensure that people can maintain basic hygiene. But for many here, access to water is only one of the many challenges they've had to face since the COVID-19 pandemic put daily life on hold.
They tell us to take precautions, to wash our hands, antibacterial gel. But where are we going to get that? Tell me, I'm a single mother, I haven't been working, I have 4 teenagers to care for. In my case, I am desperate, but there are many families that are in the same condition.
Until now, the policy of Mexico's federal government has been to inform and encourage people to keep their hands clean and to self-isolate. Though many in Mexico might recognize the government's wash your hands jingle, it's estimated that almost 50% of the country's population does not have regular access to the water necessary to wash with. Manuel Rapalo, Jazeera, Mexico City.